Namaskar dosto. Hello friends. Today I am going to show you the Jeep Compass screen protector installation. So as you can see here, I am inside my car and we have this pre-installed screen protector here, which we will be removing it, and we will be installing a new and good material screen protector which will help for the future production of this particular screen. So I got this product from Amazon, as you can see here, and this product link I will also share it in the description below. I got it for rupees 480. As you can see here, it is mentioned as 480 rupees here. And let's see what is the quality of this display. So inside the box we get this film, as it is, you can see this is the film that we get here. It will be installed in this way on top of this screen, and it is perfectly for only the 10.1 inch model. If you have the 8-inch model, I would suggest you get that model also. I will link that. I'll try to find that and link that too. And so I have got some squeezies and everything that I would like to show you. These are the squeezies and everything that I have. So basically this I will use to clean up this display, and I will install the film. Let's hope for the best, my friends. Let's start. The first step is to remove this old one. And next step would be using the alcohol wipes to clean up the screen, because I am seeing some dust particles here. Do remember to turn off your car's AC, close all the windows, roll up all the power windows and do this stuff. And do not turn on the blower also. I know it might be very tough for some places, like the car will get very hot and so, but the result will be really nice for you. The same procedure that I always share you while I install any of the tempered glass on the phones. That would be the same case here too. So I'm using the alcohol wipe to wipe the screen now clean here. Do remember to wipe it from one side to one side, because if there are some dust particles, then that will scratch the screen. So I am doing some circular motions here. Okay, so as you can see, it is done. Now we will use a clean cloth to remove this alcohol from the display. Do remember not to breathe on the screen, because that will move around any of the dust particles that are still inside the car, and it will go under your screen protector. So now I see that the glass is totally clean, but there are still some dust particles here and there moving around. We will use the dust removal sticker to remove those out of the screen. So I have some dust removal stickers here, just like this. So it will be a bit long video, my friends, do bear with me, keep patience, and you will see the perfect installation tool and guide how to do it and how to complete your task perfectly. If you are seeing that this is the squeezy is very small, so I do have another squeezy to use. First I will do this and then I will go with the second step with that. So I have removed a lot of dust particles. Now I will use the big one that I had from earlier. I had done some screen tempered glass installation from Classify on OnePlus 5 phone. I remember from there I had kept this, and this is very useful, my friend. It is a very big one and it helps a lot because we can go through with a very wide space without damaging any of the display. Do remember to keep the car off, ignition off, or everything, because this has the auto radio on option, which will lead to turning on the radio itself. So I see all of the dust has been removed. There are some on this below part which are a bit tricky. Yes, and do remember that if you get any of your stickers residue on the display, remember to remove that too. As I mentioned, you don't breathe on your display. Just check it out from both angles. Any of the angles that you are able to see, just check it in that way. So the display is totally clean now. Now we will remove the screen protector that we have here. As you can see here, this is the screen protector, and I will remove it out. And in the meantime, if I find any of the dust particles on the screen, then I will go through with the step 2 again, because some of the dust particles are going here and there on top of here. I would suggest don't remove the tempered glass, sorry, not the tempered glass, the screen protector out of the packet before doing this. I did it because I was thinking that I will put some dust particles on top of here, so I was being very careful. Then that, as it is mentioned here, step 1, and please peel off this mask after application. So we will remove the back side first, and this goes in this way. So we will install it from top to down or below to up. Let's see. I'm tearing off this, as you can see here. Actually, there are a lot of dust particles running here and there. So the next part is to remove this so it is a bit tough. I see that it is a very thick one, and it doesn't want to go out. Okay, now it is getting removed. So as you can see, in this way it is getting peeled off. So it has lot of static energy, so I think that it will attract dust. So be very careful about it, and Do check for the center line and everything before sticking it up. Okay, so we have to be a bit careful. So I think I have perfectly aligned it. Yes, it is perfectly aligned. Now I will just push here. And I will just leave it like that. So as you can see, it is going automatically on all sides. Now you can use this squeezy to squeeze out any of the air bubbles that you see on the sides. Yes, you can use this. Yes. So all the sides have been, as you can see, have been perfectly aligned, and it has been installed perfectly here. So as I was told that I have to remove this one after we have done that. So as you can see on my friends, this is installed perfectly. Now I will turn on the radio and show you how the clarity is. So let me switch on the vehicle first. Yes, the clarity is same. I like it. Yes, and the touch response is really nice, as you can see here. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for installing the screen protector for your Jeep Compass Model S or limited option, which has a 10.1-inch display. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe. Bye bye.